Hi, my name's Lewis, I'm from Johnson's Mazda. Today I'm going to show you a couple of features of the new MX-30 all-electric EV vehicle. We'll be going through what it's like to live with, how to charge the vehicle, where to charge the vehicle, and just everyday things about the car and what journeys you can and can't do and what to expect from an all-electric vehicle. Biggest question we get asked, and the toughest question we get asked, is how to charge the vehicle and where to charge the vehicle and how easy it is to find a place to charge, or mainly where you can charge and how you sort of plan your trip. So we've got two ways. The main one that people use is Zap Maps on your smartphone, which is an application you can download. Luckily with the MX-30 having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can actually plug the phone in, and then once it mirrors onto the screen you can actually open Zap Maps itself. Or the good thing with the Mazda MX-30 is on the inbuilt sat-nav, when you go to add destination, you can select charging station as a specific destination, and it will show you the closest charging stations to where you are, and it will follow down and suit the distance that you get, which is great for when you're on the move. So if you haven't planned your journey or you didn't think you was going to need any charging on the move, press add destination and you will find charging stations local to you, and you can just simply set the destination and the car will guide you to the charging station. Okay, you now join me in the MX-30 EV as we're driving. So what stands out about an electric car? So compared to a normal petrol or diesel vehicle, most electric cars only have one gear. So it's a very effortless, seamless, smooth drive. So you don't feel any gears changing. It uses one gear for the whole drive, whether that's drive or reverse. So you don't feel anything. You don't really hear anything as well. With it being just one gear and fully electric, there's no combustion engine that's on and activated and working hard under the bonnet. It is very quiet and you don't hear much while driving except the radio and sort of indicators and that stuff. With it being an electric vehicle, because there's no waiting for any turbochargers or anything like that, you have just got instant torque and instant power. So there's a lot of power to be had in the MX-30. You've got very quick 0 to 30 times in this vehicle, so you are always going to get off the mark quite quick in your situations at islands, for example. But it is very nippy, and you've got a very, very quick response time in an all-electric vehicle, especially in the MX-30. So you've still got 4 doors. It's really good for families as well. So you have got ISOFIX points in the rear of the vehicle as well, so you can get the family in the vehicle at all times, and you know that you're going to be able to do your commute, whether that's the school run, to the shops, and also if you are doing any family visits. So I've just used the Mazda in-car sat-nav system to find me a charger. So we've pulled up in a pub, coincidentally. So here we are pulling up to the charging station, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually plug the vehicle in and charge your own car. You join me at the first electric charger that we've used the Mazda in-car sat-nav system to find for us. So for example, the one we're at now is a 75 kilowatt fast charger. Very simple to charge the MX-30. Open this up like you would a normal petrol cap, take out your 2 ports in this instance because it is a 75 kilowatt. Then you're going to want to head over to the machine, which is telling us the instructions on here. So we would press the button to start the CCS, then we would take out the cable from here and plug both of these ports into the car. 80% in the MX-30 will take about 36 minutes. So that gives us time to go and have a coffee, go and have a lunch break while the vehicle charges. And then once that's all done, unplug it and then come up to this contactless part here. Some of them may have contactless, some may not, and you can actually use the app on some of these machines. Pay the bill and then away you go. The MX-30 is a very environmentally friendly vehicle. So there's no emissions from the vehicle because it's all electric. And also in terms of the interior, which you may have seen on the MX-30 REV video, that all of the interior is recycled materials. So for example, up here on the door cards, this is all recycled water bottles, and then sort of all around the car, the cloth trim, etc. is all recycled. So you know, you are getting a very environmentally friendly vehicle, not only just with the emissions, but the way the car has been manufactured as well. With it being ULEZ free, you can, you know, drive around in London, for example, if you do live in that area. And also you have got the benefit of it being zero tax. So you know certain things in terms of ULEZ, but also the ease of access of being able to charge a vehicle makes it a perfect commute car. You now join me back at the dealership with the MX-30. The good thing for me is charging is free, of course. So I'm going to come up to the electric point here, and just like a normal petrol car, I'm going to open the cap up here, and I'm greeted with the 2 ports that we saw before. On this occasion, I'm only going to take out the top part. I'm going to head over to the cable, take out the cable and I'm just going to place it into the hole here. And then I'm going to lock the car, and this light will indicate green when the car is ready to charge. You'll hear a clicking noise and the vehicle will start charging. I can go inside, have a drink, and it'll all be charged for me when I'm ready to go home this evening. That was a short overview of the all-electric Mazda MX-30. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to find out more on the MX-30 and book a test drive with us, and also start your EV journey, please find us at johnsonscars.co.uk/Mazda, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you, bye-bye.